break also. How could you measure temperature of an any object? So at the time we'll use the laboratory thermometer. What is their range? -10 to 110 degrees Celsius, because it varies. Here I am showing you how could you measure temperature of water by the help of a laboratory thermometer. And when you are doing it, so you the some tap water in a beaker or mug you take, and to dip the thermometer in the water so that the bulb is being put in the immersed in water, does not touch the bottom or the side of a container. So then you can hold the thermometer vertically and you can read the temperature. See the picture, there it is there. What could you observe from there? The movement of mercury in the thermometer we shall observe. We have to wait till mercury test becomes steady, then we take the reading, get the temperature. And you could compare the temperature of water, temperature of the water. Two, three students you differently measure temperature of water by three thermometers. Do you see any difference or same reading? You do the research and you find out the answer. Now, one more activity, you could take activity 4.5. You could take some hot water in a beaker or in a mug and dip the thermometer in water till the mercury wait till the mercury thread becomes steady and note the temperature. Now take out the thermometer from water, observe carefully what happens. What do you observe? You will notice as soon as you take thermometer out of the water, the level of mercury begin to fall. Why is it so? Question. This means the temperature must be read with the thermometer is in water. You may also recall that while taking your own temperature, you have to take the thermometer out of your mouth to note the reading. So now the laboratory thermometer to measure your body temperature. Do you think it is not convenient to use that one? So that is you rarely using, don't use. So the why does the mercury not fall or rise in a clinical thermometer when taken out of the mouth? And the let us observe a clinical thermometer again. We see a kink. I have shown you about the kink first. The kink prevents the mercury level from falling off its own. Now the question is coming: is the heat transferred? If yes, why? Example, a frying pan, if you become hot when keep on a flame, it is because of heat passes from the flame to the utensil. So the why does it becoming cool down? When the pan is removed from the fire, it slowly cools down. Why does it cool down? The heat is transferred from the pan to the surrounding. You can understand that both cases it flows from the hotter object to a colder object. In fact, all all cases it flows from a hotter object to the colder object. So does it mean that heat will not transfer if the temperature of two objects is same? Let us find out how does the heat flow. So we will do an activity in the NCERT guideline, activity 4.5. You could take a hot water in a beaker or a mug